Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Cooking World. Today we're gonna make yummy, chocolatey and 2-minute easy mug cake. Let's go to ingredients. 1.5 tablespoon melted butter, 1.5 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 spoon baking powder, 1 egg yolk, tablespoon milk, pinch of baking powder and salt. Now I'm adding the pinch of baking powder. Now it's time for the salt. Melted butter. Time to mix it now. Mix. Mix it again. Transported the mixture to the mug, so let's add sprinkles and some chocolate chips. Now I'm going to cook it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So in this 2 minutes, I'm gonna eat my chocolate chips as a break. Nom, nom, nom. The mug cake with the chocolate chips. It looks like the chocolate chips has turned golden. Cream. I added some whipped cream. To the whipped cream, I'm gonna add more Hershey syrup. Chocolate mug cake. Oh man, I can't wait to taste it. It just looks so good. Let's taste it. Let's try to taste it. Super! So good! And amazing. I swear, you should try this right now. You should. It's epic. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And see you later.